after Robert led the path of least resistance, the art of the creative process, and fundamentals of structural thinking this past spring in Australia, his students wrote thank you notes to him. Here are a few of them.
Thank you, Robert, for a rich time this past 11 days. I love your ability to show us the power and value of our underlying structures and all that flows from it.
Robert, thank you for my freedom to truly live as I want and be as I am. Gratitude beyond what I can express.
Dear Robert, thanks a lot for 11 amazing days of learning and fun.
Robert, thanks for the fun and illuminating courses. It was an amazing experience. Loved meeting you and learning from you.
Robert, being in your presence is a gift in itself. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert, for the most fabulous insights, tools, and freedom.
Robert, thank you for helping me see reality.
Thank you, Robert. It has been amazing to learn from you.
Dear Robert, thank you for taking the time to share the truth of structural dynamics. It really has changed my world.
Dearest Robert, words are not enough to express my heartfelt gratitude for you and your work you give the world.
Thanks, Robert. This was amazing. I'd write more, but my mind is too blown away.
Thank you so much for a powerful and also fun training. It's been everything and more. Super grateful to meet you in person.
You are an amazing human being, dear Robert. A huge heartfelt thank you and high five for the work you do and share with us.
You have given me hope that I can still create what I have always wanted, even at my age. Your clarity, precision, and sharp decision-making are an inspiration to me.
Thank you, Robert. So clear, so simple, so beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. An incredible experience. I have loved every day sharing and experiencing what you do. It has made a huge impact on my life, with much gratitude and appreciation.
Dear Robert, thank you for sharing your knowledge and skills and your wonderful energy with us.
Invaluable 11 days. Thank you.
Robert will lead the same 3 courses in London in April 2027. The path of least resistance is April 15th to the 18th. The art of the creative process is April 19th to the 21st. Fundamentals of structural thinking is April 22nd to the 25th.